In the next episode of the Zaka Budanis, a violent Black Sea storm will strike before any family can recover from the wedding attack, forming enemies into the same rescue ship. A passenger vessel carrying the villagers' medical supplies, and the one crucial witness will lose power near the rocks. Eleni learns that the witness is the missing midwife who can finally explain her birth, while the other learns that the Timursan has been placed armed men around the passengers. Orak insists on leading the rescue despite his injury, and Iso joins from the wheelchair and using his knowledge of the coast to guide the crew by using the radio. Asme remains on the shore, coordinating the families and the shelter, providing one again the strength is not limited to those holding weapons. Fateh offers his larger boat, but the others suspect that it contains explosive with no time to investigate. They accept the disc. During the journey, all the questions surface. Oryx blames Fateh for the attack. Fateh excuses Adil of turning every crisis into the personal revenge, and Eleni demands silence because people will die if they continue fighting. When they reach the vessel, a wave separates the rescue teams. Adil and Fateh become trapped below deck with his midwife while the Oric and Alani try to evacuate children. The midwife reveals that she did not exchange the babies, she hid her one child after receiving evidence that respected elder parent who killed every here capable of uniting the families before she can say which child. Water floods the compartments. Adil must decide whether to save the witness or Faith, who is pinned beneath the metal. He saved Fateh first because leaving him would repeat the cycle of choosing family truth over the human life. Fateh, shaken by the mercy, helped rescue the midwife on the upper desk. An armed man attacks the Aurak, but Iso spots him through the damaged camera feed and warns Eleni seconds before the shot. Eleni knocks the weapon away, and the Aurak saves the attacker from the falling into the sea, demonstrating that the justice he wants to lead it. Back on the shore, Asmi discovered the storm damaged an old cemetery and exposed the sealed underground room. Inside the children's cloth, family records, and the photograph linking Amiri, Zafir, Fateh, and Temudi kids earlier. The rescued midwife sees as one photograph and refuses to speak in the public. She wants to meet Amis alone. In the final moment, she tells Asmi that the Alani was never the only child stolen that night. Another baby was taken and raised to believe that the Kokaris destroyed his family. The camera cuts to the father watching the Adil embrace Alani. He opens a locket containing the photograph Asmi as the young woman and whispers that he has finally returned to the mother who was told he died the storm, and but the revolution threatens to drown every identity the families have trusted.